Hello guys, this is MC Lunatic Gamer, and we're now going to play Minecraft P Survival Part 1, and we're going to the Booyah 2. Awesome. Yep, we're here in Booyah 2, and I difficult Abati. So I've started this survival now, so all of this tools enchanted, even my awesome skin with the headphones and hood. So hey bro, so we joined the game. So first off, we're going to the nether, so let's go to the nether. Come on, let's go to the nether. Oh, what happened to you? Oh, okay. So you didn't join me? So don't join me anymore. I'm going to the nether myself. So anyway, that was my brother. Oh, wait. Okay. So let's go to the nether. I better this myself. Ah, why? Why did you join? Okay, just go to the nether. Let's go to the nether. I'll wait you here. Oh, look, steak. What? How did that happen? Come on, where are you? So you're already going now in the nether. That's cool. Come on. Oh, there you are. Woo, so cool. No. Dude. So let's kill some zombie pigmen. Okay, let's go here. We're gonna turn up the difficulty to 3. Let's go there. The soul sand is making us slow. Come on. I can't see any zombie pigmen. Ah! No, that was close. Again. I can't find some zombie pigments. Ah, show yourself. Show yourself. So show yourself. What, where? Zombie pigman. Let's wait. I can't see any zombie pigmen. Nope, can't see. Oh, you mean that zombie pigman. Okay, let's go up here. Soul sands again. I hate soul sands. No, let's just forget that zombie pigman. I'm so tired. I'm so lazy to go up like there. Okay. So let's go here. Maybe they're here, swimming in lava. Still nothing. Wait. Nope. Maybe your difficulty is... Oh, come on. Yep. No, forget it. Okay, let's go here. Let's find Ah, maybe it's night on the overworld. Let's go now. I know where the nether portal is. Come on. Come on, let's go back here. Wait, before we go back, let's check it in here. Wow. Oh, look, a zombie pigman. Aha! Oh, you're so happy, right? You're happy to die. Come on, die. Ooh, I like knockback. No, don't fall. Let's go up here. And oh, look, another zombie pigman. I'm gonna kill you. You're happy because I'm gonna kill you. Come on. Soul Sands, I hate you very much. Yes. I got 8 experiences. So let's go back now to the overworld. Come on. Come on. Let's go back now. Come on. Yes. Okay. It's still morning. Still morning, yeah. We're gonna end this video, guys, about 8 to 11 minutes. Yeah. We're just gonna explore the village. Ah, no enemies. No mobs that are evil. Nothing. Ah. Oh yeah, hunger bar. There we go. So I'm gonna enchant my oh look, it's raining. It's raining. Never mind. Let's not enchant something. What should I? Oh yeah, the gold sword. Gonna enchant that. There we go. So what kind of? Oh, efficiency. Nice. So I'm gonna enchant. Okay, knockback. 1. That's cool. That's cool. I just wasted 5 experience. Let's go back to the nether. Wait, zombie. A zombie. Yeah. Ooh, I love this knockback. So helpful. Oh, wait, look. An armored one. Right here. I saw it. Oh, come on. Oh no. That is an armored. Oh wait, look, they're fighting each other. Haha, so cool. What? Look, they're fighting each other. I'm gonna crouch. Come on, let's sneak. Okay. Woo! Golden armor skeleton wins. And he's gonna go towards me. Oh my god, you miss. You miss. Come on, bro. Knockback. Knockback. Woo! That was cool. Hey, don't. Hey, don't waste the diamonds. Get them back. Get them back. What the heck? What are you doing? Just wasted my diamonds. Okay, let's find more. Oh, there go. Ooh, it just allows you. Archer, take that again. Boom. Yes. So thunder. Oh, wow. Knockback. Another knockback, and you're dead. Ooh, rotten flesh. I got a rotten flesh. Hey. What are you doing? Oh, cool. I'm just gonna enchant this diamond pickaxe again. Oh yeah, forgot a lapis lazuli. Okay. So unbreaking, yep, it's the one. Oh no, it stopped. Hey, what the heck? Stop killing my brother. There we go. Come on. Boom, you're dead. Get your sword. Get your sword. I said get your sword. It's night. Raining. Let's hunt more mobs here. Oh wait, look. A boot. Oh wow. Oh, let's go to sleep. Come on, let's go to sleep. Go to sleep. Not there. Not there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like 5 seconds. So, oops, stop right there. I'm gonna go outside. So that is it for our today's video, guys. Please do like and subscribe. So again, this is MC Lunatic Gamer, and I'm outies.